Hello and welcome to our next DBT Talk Hub and Speak expert session. My name is Dmitro Polishuk. I'm principal consultant at Scale3, and today we are talking about DBT Fusion. DBT is evolving and Fusion is the next generation of DBT engine. In this video, we will look at what DBT Fusion is, why it matters, and how it changes the way DBT projects are developed and executed. Let's start with a quick overview of what DBT Fusion actually is. Fusion is a next-generation execution agent for DBT, built from the ground up. Instead of evolving the existing DBT core engine, DBT Labs created a completely new engine designed to deliver better performance and enable new capabilities. One important difference is that DBT Fusion is written in Rust, while DBT Core is written in Python. Rust is known for high performance and efficiency, which helps Fusion run significantly faster, especially for large projects with complex DAGs. Another major improvement is that DBT Fusion has a native understanding of SQL across multiple dialects. Because of this, it can analyze SQL much more deeply than DBT Core. This enables features like Dialect-Aware Validation, better error detection directly in the IDE, and more precise column-level lineage. Fusion is designed to support the full DBT Core framework. The idea is not to replace DBT Core, but to extend it. Most existing DBT projects can run on Fusion without major changes, although deprecated DBT Core functionality is not supported. Overall, Fusion aims to provide faster and smarter engine for DBT, while remaining compatible with the existing DBT workflows. One more thing to note is that DBT Fusion is still in preview at the time of recording this video, so some capabilities may evolve as the engine continues to mature. Now that you know what Fusion is, let's look at why it's useful in practice. One of the biggest improvements is a dialect-aware SQL validation, which significantly improves the developer experience. The second major benefit is a state-aware orchestration, which optimizes builds, speeds up execution times, and lowers computer costs. Now, let's look at this in more detail. We will start with dialect-aware validation, which is one of the core capabilities enabled by the DBT Fusion engine. The key concept here is static SQL analysis. Unlike DBT Core, which mainly renders SQL and sends it to the database, Fusion performs additional steps during compilation. It builds and analyzes a logical plan for every query in the DBT project. This allows DBT to validate SQL before it uses any warehouse resources, catching many errors early during the development rather than during the execution in the data warehouse. However, there are some cases where DBT cannot analyze SQL ahead of time. This happens when models rely on database-dependent macros, sometimes called introspective macros. Examples include such DBT utils macros as get column values, star, or unpivot. In those cases, Fusion may need to rely on the database itself to resolve parts of the query, meaning that some validation is deferred until execution. Overall, this approach has several important benefits. It helps catch SQL errors earlier, enables much more precise column-level lineage, and powers advanced IDE features such as SQL validation, CT previews, and capabilities like state-aware orchestration, which we will look at next. Another major capability introduced with Fusion is state-aware orchestration. The core idea is simple. DBT no longer rebuilds models every time a DBT job runs. Instead, it checks whether anything actually changed in the code or upstream data. If nothing changed, DBT reuses the existing model. This helps reduce both runtime and warehouse costs. To do this, Fusion maintains a shared model-level state. Jobs running in the same environment read from and write to the same shared state. So DBT knows whether a model has already been built and whether rebuilding it would produce a different result. This is also helpful when multiple jobs run concurrently. Fusion can coordinate builds and avoid unnecessarily duplicate work. If a model was already updated and nothing changed afterward, the next job can simply reuse it. Another benefit is that this works out of the box. In many cases, no special configuration is needed, although more settings are available if you want additional control. Fusion also introduces efficient testing, which is currently in beta. Instead of always rerunning the same tests, DBT can reuse upstream test results within the same run, when the downstream outcome would not change. It can also combine multiple tests into a single query, which reduces warehouse usage even further. Together, these capabilities make DBT run smarter, faster, and more cost-efficient. This was it for this video. We looked at what DBT Fusion is, why it is important, and the key concepts behind such features as dialect-aware validation and state-aware orchestration. In the next video, I will demonstrate how these capabilities work in practice using a demo project in DBT platform, where we will explore such features as SQL validation in the IDE, state-aware orchestration, and efficient testing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos from the Scale-Free experts. See you in the next one.